You're watching DDS TV.
Connected inexorably to COVID misinformation.
Right.
Right? Donald Trump, you're a Trumper, you're a MAGA supporter, hydroxychloroquine.
Let us rejoice in the red car getting their just desserts. There's nothing like karma, and now the universe is once again balanced. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. It looked like he was casually walking until he realized all the cars were aiming at him, and then he did the, "Oh Lord, save me," shuffle.
But it still shouldn't have mattered because you're applying the Constitution, the 14th Amendment to the Constitution, and the reality is.
While the camera didn't stop, he did call the local police and sent in the footage. The footage is now in the hands of the investigating officer. It sounds like the red light runner was lying.
I just need somebody to help me direct. I went down, started on the wrong lane, so if you could just back up so you can get out. Thank you.
It is sometimes painful to watch people attempt basic driving. If only there were signs that told you which lane was the exit and which lane you shouldn't enter. Oh wait. The driver was not happy about being honked at by the Audi. Now he's going to chase after them and escalate. I'm always amazed at what some people get over-aggravated with. The driver of the pickup proceeded to park in the fire lanes at Lowe's. He then exited the car along with at least 3 of his kids. What a terrible example he set for them. The BMW shoots over 3 lanes without a signal. The red car decides to do the same, but doesn't see the silver sedan. He then crashes into the barrier, smokes the silver car into the camera's lane, and then shuts down 2 lanes. I guarantee you that shop had a no left turn sign, since that idiot crossed 2 sets of double yellow lines, which technically act as a median. Those who make a right turn have to do so by staying as close to the right-hand side of the road. The other car making a right turn from that position shouldn't allow an entire car to fit like the camera's car did.
Closes at 9 p.m. You can also get it tomorrow. It's not that deal.
Okay.
I'm just making sure you have it for snow and everything. That was my point.
While I don't condone doing this when you're putting others at risk, playing around with how a car behaves in slippery conditions is a great way to learn how to actually drive a car. There's more to driving than just ensuring that you follow road rules. Bald tires with rain at high speeds went exactly as how you'd expect it. A pileup. They have a green right turn signal. Both straight lane signals for them were red. The camera had a full row and they weren't paying attention, so the other driver would be at fault. Everyone involved was able to walk away from it. The other driver was deemed at fault. The camera ended up with a settlement, but unfortunately, his car was totaled.
Jesus Christ, man.
I know obviously the guy who went up on the curb is the bigger idiot, but get a load of this other car. Who pulls up to a rotary with a car driving through on the center curb and thinks, I'll just squeeze by here?
Yeah, on the same team, and oh, Jesus Christ!
The driver in the light gray SUV had the right-of-way, but she was on her phone and didn't notice that the other driver wasn't going to stop. Thankfully, no one was hurt.
What are you doing? Guy! Jesus Christ. Ugh.
I thought someone was going to be unable to stop in the snow, but no, it really is another complete idiot. Also, that and always stop with multiple lanes? That's a terrible design. This intersection is absolutely begging for a light.
Person immediately, along with the ensign running the transporter.
Brutal. I didn't know that you could fire an unauthorized phaser aboard a starship. But,
He didn't even give it that much gas, and it's not even like an ice storm or something. Those tires have to be ultra bald. Tailgating is always great for turning an inconvenience into a high drama event. Traffic, unfortunately, was immediately backed up. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.